Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. Microsoft Testing Platform Code Coverage Extensions in .NET, a comprehensive tutorial. This tutorial delves into the world of code coverage in .NET, specifically using the Microsoft Testing Platform, mstest, and its code coverage extensions. We'll explore the concepts, setup, configuration, and practical examples to help you effectively measure and improve your code's test coverage. What is code coverage? Code coverage is a metric that measures the percentage of source code executed when running a set of tests. It provides insights into how thoroughly your tests are exercising your code base. It doesn't guarantee that your code is bug-free, but it helps identify areas that may be under-tested and potentially contain hidden issues. Why is code coverage important? Identifies untested code. Uncover portions of your code base that haven't been touched by automated tests, indicating potential blind spots. Improves test quality. Encourages writing tests that cover different scenarios and code paths, leading to more robust and reliable software. Reduces risk. Minimizes the chance of undetected bugs reaching production by ensuring more code is validated. Facilitates refactoring. Provides confidence when refactoring code by verifying that existing tests continue to pass and maintain adequate coverage. Objective measurement. Offers a quantitative way to track the progress of testing efforts and identify areas needing improvement. Code coverage metrics. Common code coverage metrics include line coverage. The percentage of executable lines of code that are executed by tests. Branch coverage. The percentage of branches, example if/else statements, switch cases, that are executed by tests. Function coverage. The percentage of functions or methods that are called by tests. Statement coverage. Similar to line coverage, but focuses on statements rather than lines of code. Condition coverage. The percentage of Boolean sub-expressions in conditional statements that evaluate to both true and false during testing. The Microsoft Testing Platform, mstest, and code coverage extensions. mstest is a widely used testing framework in the .NET ecosystem. It provides built-in support for code coverage through extensions. These extensions allow you to automatically collect coverage data while running your tests and generate reports. Prerequisites. .NET SDK. Install the latest .NET SDK from the official Microsoft website. Visual Studio. Optional. Visual Studio is recommended for a user-friendly development experience and built-in testing tools, but it's not strictly required. You can use Visual Studio Code with C extensions as an alternative. Understanding of mstest. Basic familiarity with creating and running unit tests using mstest is helpful. Setting up code coverage. 1. Create a .NET solution and project. This creates a solution code coverage demo.sln, a class library project code coverage demo.logic, and a mstest project code coverage demo.tests. The last line ensures the test project can access the logic project. 2. Install necessary NuGet packages. In your code coverage demo.tests project, install the following NuGet packages. Microsoft.NET.Test SDK provides the necessary infrastructure for running tests. mstest.test adapter enables mstest tests to be discovered and run. mstest.test framework contains the core classes for writing mstest tests. Coverlet.collector, a cross-platform code coverage collector that integrates with the .NET testing platform. It supports different coverage formats, example Cobertura, OpenCover. 3. Configure code coverage in .xproj file, optional, but recommended. You can add the following settings to your code coverage demo.tests.xproj file to configure the coverage collection behavior. Open code coverage demo.test/code coverage demo.tests.xproj and add these lines inside the project tag. Asterisk coverlet output format specifies the format of the coverage report. COBRA is a common format often used by CI/CD systems. OpenCover is another popular option. Asterisk coverlet output defines the directory where the coverage reports will be saved. The above configuration will save the report to a folder named coverage relative to the test project's directory. Asterisk merge with enables merging coverage data from multiple test executions. This is useful when you have multiple test projects or when you're running tests in parallel. Asterisk include source instructs the coverage tool to include source code in the report, allowing you to view highlighted code alongside the coverage metrics. This requires source link to be enabled. Writing code and tests asterisk. 1. Implement the logic asterisk. In code coverage demo.logic/calculator.cs. 2. Write unit tests asterisk. In code coverage demo.test/calculator-tests.cs. Running tests with code coverage asterisk. There are several ways to run tests with code coverage using the command line, Visual Studio, or Visual Studio Code. Asterisk command line asterisk. This command runs the tests in the specified test project and collects code coverage data using the xplat code coverage collector. Asterisk Visual Studio asterisk. 1. Open the solution in Visual Studio. 2. Go to test-analyze code coverage-all tests. 3. The code coverage results will be displayed in the code coverage results window. Asterisk Visual Studio Code asterisk. 1. Install the C extension. 2. Install the .NET extension for VS Code. 3. Open the solution in VS Code. 4. Use the .NET test command with the -collect:\xplat code coverage argument in the terminal, or use a VS Code extension, like Test Explorer, that supports code coverage. Interpreting code coverage results asterisk. After running the tests, you'll see a coverage report. The exact format depends on the tool and configuration you're using. Here's how to interpret a typical code coverage report. Asterisk summary asterisk. The report typically starts with a summary showing the overall percentage of lines, branches, or other metrics covered by tests. Asterisk module/assembly breakdown asterisk. The report breaks down the coverage by modules, assemblies, in your project. Asterisk class/type breakdown asterisk. Further breakdown by classes or types within each module. Asterisk function/method breakdown asterisk. Detailed coverage information for each function or method, showing which lines, branches, or statements were executed by tests. Asterisk highlighted source code asterisk. Some tools, when configured correctly, display the source code with highlighting to indicate covered and uncovered lines. Example coverage report, snippet, based on coverlet/COBRA format. In this example, asterisk line rate, indicates the percentage of lines covered, example 0.9 equals 90%. Asterisk branch rate, indicates the percentage of branches covered, example 0.8 equals 80%. Asterisk the lines section shows the line number and the number of times it was hit by tests, hits. A hits equals 0 indicates an uncovered line. Asterisk branch equals true indicates a line with a branch, example an if statement. Condition coverage shows the percentage of branches covered. Improving code coverage asterisk. 1. Identify gaps asterisk. Carefully analyze the code coverage report to identify areas where coverage is low or missing. 2. Write new tests *. Write new tests specifically targeting the uncovered code paths and scenarios. Consider edge cases, boundary conditions, and error handling. 3. Refactor for testability *. If code is difficult to test, consider refactoring it to improve its testability. This might involve decoupling dependencies, breaking down complex functions into smaller, more manageable units, or using dependency injection. 4. Aim for high coverage, but don't obsess *. Strive for high code coverage. 80% or higher is often a good goal, but remember that 100% coverage doesn't guarantee that your code is perfect. Focus on writing meaningful tests that cover important functionality and potential failure points. Advanced configuration and techniques *. Filtering code coverage *. You might want to exclude certain parts of your code from code coverage analysis, such as generated code, third-party libraries, or specific classes or methods. Exclude by attribute *. Use the exclude from code coverage attribute, from the system.diagnostics.codeAnalysis namespace, to exclude specific classes or methods. Configuration file, coverlet.json or runsettings. Create a coverlet.json file, or use a runsettings file, to specify more complex filtering rules. This is more flexible and doesn't require modifying your code. Example coverlet.json. To use the coverlet.json file, add the following property to your star.xproj file in the property group section. Note, the coverlet output format must be defined to use the configuration file effectively. Example runsettings. To use the runsettings file, run your tests with the /settings option. Code coverage in CI/CD pipelines *. Integrate code coverage analysis into your CI/CD pipelines to automatically track coverage changes and enforce coverage thresholds. Most CI/CD platforms, example Azure DevOps, GitHub Actions, Jenkins, support running tests and collecting code coverage data. You can then use tools like Report Generator to convert the coverage reports into HTML or other formats for easy viewing. You can also set build policies to fail builds if coverage thresholds aren't met. Branch coverage versus statement coverage *. Branch coverage is generally considered more robust than statement coverage. Branch coverage ensures that all possible paths through conditional statements are tested, which can help uncover more subtle bugs. Testing private methods *. Directly testing private methods is generally discouraged. Instead, focus on testing the public methods that use the private methods. If a private method is complex, consider refactoring it into a separate class that can be tested directly. However, the internals visible to attribute can be used to grant access to internal types and members to your test assembly if absolutely necessary, though it should be used sparingly. Using mocking frameworks *. Mocking frameworks, example mock, and substitute, can be used to isolate units of code during testing by replacing dependencies with controlled mock objects. This can make it easier to achieve high code coverage and test specific scenarios. Best practices *. Write tests early and often * incorporate testing into your development workflow from the beginning of the project. Focus on meaningful tests * prioritize writing tests that cover critical functionality and potential failure points. Aim for high, but realistic coverage * set a reasonable code coverage goal and strive to achieve it, but don't sacrifice test quality for the sake of coverage percentage. Review code coverage reports regularly * make code coverage analysis a regular part of your code review process. Keep tests up to date * maintain and update tests as your code base evolves. Use code coverage as a guide, Not a rule. Code coverage is a valuable tool, but it shouldn't be the only factor driving your testing strategy. Complete code example, recap. Code coverage demo.logic/calculator.cs*. Code coverage demo.test/calculator-tests.cs*. Code coverage demo.test/code coverage demo.tests.xproj*. This detailed tutorial provides a comprehensive understanding of code coverage using mstest in .NET. By following these guidelines and best practices, you can effectively measure and improve the quality of your code through thorough testing. Remember to analyze the reports, address uncovered areas, and continuously refine your testing strategy. Good luck.